dynamo who seldom stops working. Time magazine has called her one of the 100 most influential people in its September 2012 issue. On her shoulders rests the hopes of this entire state. Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Ms. Chakraborty, before you sit, we would like you to light the lamp. Could we also have on stage Shri Amit Mitra, State Minister of Finance, Minister of Finance, West Bengal. May I request Srimati Banerjee to light the lamp and formally inaugurate the session. I'd like to invite Srimati Mamata Banerjee.
The privilege and the dignity you treat her as formally and as informally she does with us. So thank you, Mamata. I'll add another thing. You see, I mean, she knows what is her priority, what are her priorities, what are the priorities of the state. And one of the things is she's a stickler for time. I'll tell the Chief Minister that this morning there were some people, of course, I mean, who are maybe new to the state, they were asking, oh, highly mistaken, she's never late. And what does she do? She comes half an hour early. What does she tell me? Tells me, Mr. Chakraborty, I have country and the state and of the people. She thinks differently. You see, what happens is that many of us, me, I mean, especially known to many of us, maybe all of us, when he was the boss of FICCI. And Srimati Banerjee selects her to come and lead the state and in finance, a very, very difficult subject and which the state needs. The congratulations goes, in my opinion, to Srimati Banerjee for getting Dr. Amit Mitra from Delhi to here, and my congratulations for it's a platform of 16 IITs. It was 5 earlier, 16 IITs. Graduates who have done it just this year. So look at, I mean, there has been a generation gap, and the entire 2 generations or 3 generations are sitting here. Where are they engaged in? Out of the 2 lakhs, about 50,000 are in USA. They are in UK, they are there in Europe, they are there in Africa. They've all come from there. They've all come from IIT. That's the glue which ties up together. And what is the second? That the country, the taxpayers of the country, have helped us to become graduates of IIT. We hardly paid any money when we studied, whether we were in scholarship or even if we paid. And the deprived societies, to the school drops out, to the girls who do not see the face of education. How do we do it? What is the skill?
You are the gold mines of the world, and your brain and your minds. Of course, it is a golden brain, what I can say. And today I am very happy that at least I have got the opportunity to say a few words in front of you. And you have chosen Kolkata. It is our great honor, great privilege. We are delighted. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Though once a time program. So, what Sandeep Pandey has said so many things in favor of me. But you will see that ours is a small state. But small is always beautiful. India is a country where unity in diversities are Jharkhand and other places also, Guwahati. So I am very happy, at least I have got the opportunity to meet them. And I marked one thing, that all my young generations, they are doing this. We have our earning, we have to pay it for the debt. No money for food, no money for 100 days work, no money for institute, the education, the health. This is a great challenge. We are facing a big legacy. This is not our fault, but instead of that, I want to tell you, if there is a will, there is a way. Yes, we can do it. If we think, yes, we can do it. What is our way out? Only one example I am giving, my brothers and sisters. That is the Mendes lost. If you can compare, you will see 2009 and 10, the Mendes lost was about 68 lakhs. 66, this 2019, 10, 11, it was you do the job, then you can ask other to do the job. That is called work culture. Always we have to start it from our own. If I don't do the jobs, I have no moral authority to give the direction to others. Please do the job. And this is the beauty of the work culture and our duty, that we must perform. We must perform. And that's why we started our performing. Even if you see the central government, the GDP, how my state's GDP has grown fast. Only they are saying nowadays there are some problems, you know. If you that nobody will highlight. If you do the destructive work, then it will be highlighted. That is our unfortunate or fortunate part. And that's why the people don't know even how we are improving. Why West Bengal? Because we are trying our best. In West Bengal, we have so many. Number one state, we produce the rice, and it is the heart, and it is the brain. Our brain is very good. From Nasha to Bhasha, if you see, we'll see that Bengal brain is a gold mine.